Now that you've heard these amazing stories, let's break down the most useful English expressions so you can start using them in your own life. These aren't just words, they're tools for talking about your goals and challenges. Let's start with the star of today's lesson, lock in. In A2-B2 English, to lock in means to focus completely and eliminate all distractions to achieve a specific goal. It's about giving 100% of your attention and effort to something important. In our story, Danny locked in during her marathon study session. Her phone was on silent, she had background music, and nothing could distract her from her exam preparation. She was completely focused on succeeding. How can you use this in daily life? Imagine you're at work and you have a big presentation tomorrow. You might tell your colleague, "I need to lock in this afternoon and finish these slides." Or if your friend asks you to go shopping but you have important studying to do, you could say, "Sorry, I can't today. I need to lock in and prepare for my exam." The phrase works beautifully when you're talking about any situation where you need intense concentration, whether that's finishing a work project, training for a sports event, or learning a new skill. Think about your own life for a moment. What's one area where you need to lock in right now? Is it your English learning, your fitness goals, or maybe a work project? Try using this phrase this week when you need to focus, and notice how saying it out loud actually helps you commit to the task.